Hi, it's Will, Velvet, and the Pup, and welcome to, Freedom Rolling. Hopefully you like the new shirts here. We want to thank Allison for providing those for us.
Thank you, Allison.
And we're here in our beautiful Ford F-150 here with the beautiful Pup. And what we want to talk about a little bit is how this is working out for us. As you can see, the Pup is doing very well in between us. And it really has been that way in the times that we've been able to take some trips in this. Isn't that right, honey?
Yes, so normally we would have to give her a sedation, which is natural. It's a CBD chew, which relaxes her enough to be able to sit in the back seat of the Trailblazer that we used to have. But this time, I do have some photos that I will be posting along with this video of her doing exactly what she's doing right now.
Yeah, I mean, that's one of the things that I've found is that she's been very natural right here. Sometimes she'll lay on one of our thighs and she just seems very comfortable. And I think if you're ever going to travel with a pup, the bench seat is usually the best way to go because the pup usually likes to be right next to her human pets.
Isn't that right, Mags?
I think she agrees. Well, it's time for us to head out and do some errands here. So we thank you for tuning in. Make sure that you visit us at freedomrolling.com, also on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. And remember, follow your internal compass.